Good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss about regular expression. Actually this is the last chapter in the third module. Okay. So far we have seen that we are going to read the content through the file, and we try to looking for a particular pattern and extracting the pattern by making use of functions like split and the find all, which is present in the list. Even with the help of strings like string we have done, but those things could be done in an easy manner with the help of a special library which is provided by the Python, such as regular expression. Okay. So if you want, one thing is, if you want to use the regular expression library, first it has to be imported to our program. So, such as import regular expression name is RE. You could see in the video. Okay, so let us take one example and discuss more about that. So here in this example, what exactly we are doing is, I'm just going to find out find in the particular file that if the file contains a line line with the word as from, then all those lines has to be extracted. Okay, so that is the program. So a very simple type of function which is provided by the regular expression is search. Okay, search is the function which is provided by regular expression. So what exactly this program is going to do is, we are going to import the regular expression RE. Okay, so we are going to open the file which has been already created, mailbox like that. Okay, and each and every file which is opened has to be handled by a reference pointer, call it as hand. Okay, any variable name you can give. So line by line we are going to extract the content from the file, and we have already seen line.r step means it is going to remove the right side white spaces or the new line characters, and we are using a search functions. So if the line contains the word from anywhere from beginning to the end, the line is going to extract, and we are going to print that line. Okay, this is one of the function in the regular expression. So let us see some more about the regular expression. Actually, regular expression is going to provide you various set of special characters, or you can also call it as wild cards. Okay, those characters will have the special meaning. One such type of a special character or the wild card is caret symbol. That means if you have written the caret symbol, it is going to search in the beginning of the line. So it has to search a line. If the line contains in the beginning the from word, only those lines are going to select. So the from keyword might be present at the exactly at the middle of the line or at the end, but those lines will not be selected. If the line contains the from keyword only at the beginning, then those lines will be selected. So that is what the speciality of this special character. Okay. So next, character matching in regular expression. Another wild card or a special character is this dot, or it is also called it as period. So the dot, this dot character, what is the meaning of dot character? Means any single character it is going to select. So now we have written a program to search where in the every line should contain, or if the line contains in the beginning start with a character called F followed by two characters, only two characters. So after the M it could be RO, or after the M it could be any two characters again followed by M. Only if this pattern is present, then only those lines are going to select and it will be stored. Then those lines are going to print. Okay, see example they have given. After this, F from or F XXM or F12M, like that, any two characters. Okay, next example in the same way, we have just still more we have moved. Plus is again a special character, a wild card character which takes the meaning as one or more characters. That means after this pattern, one or more characters are going to select. So the line should be in the beginning. The line should start with the from keyword colon. Again, we have explicitly mentioned one period or the dot. So one character followed by more characters. After one or more characters, again it is going to find out the at. So from from excluding the at, all the lines are going to select. That means exactly we are going to find out the address, email address which is present in the file. Okay, so output you can see like this. From after the ZA, actually at was there. Okay, up to that it is going to select. Extracting data using a regular expression. Next thing is one more special type of function is called as find all. So that means you want to combine so many concepts in order to search for a pattern. That could be done here. Slashes is treated as a it's a character sequence. That means non-white space. So it is going to remove the non-white space from the line. It is going to search for a word which doesn't have the white space. That means it will start here, then immediately we have got a white space, so that will not be selected. Again it goes like that, but again the white space is there, so message is also not going to select. Like that, when it comes CSCV, so this word is going to select, followed by non-white space, followed by so many characters, non-white space, white space is there, then non-white space, so many characters, then followed by at symbol, again non-white space, no space, again followed by so many character. Up to here it is going to select, because once it comes to the white space it is going to stop. So we are just going to select only the email address, excluding all other strings. Okay, so like this we are going to select this complete pattern throughout the line, either from the beginning to the end. In every line, if you put it this find all in within the for loop, then every line from beginning to end it is going to search. So in an easy manner you could do that, but provided you should import the regular expression library re.findAll. Again, along with that, we are also extending to find out if the length of x is greater than 0. That means if we are having the email address, then only we are going to print like this. Okay, like this. Next type of special character is put it within the square bracket. So whatever you'll put within the square bracket, any of these things is going to select. Either your line might start with the lowercase a to z, any one character, or capital A to Z, or 0 to 9. Any of these could be matched, followed by non-white sequence, then the 0 or more symbol. That means immediately after this you may not have any character, you don't have space also, you don't have any character also, but next immediately you are having at symbol. Again you don't have any characters, because star indicates 0 or more. So 0 means you don't have any character after that. Again you are followed by at least either the lower or the uppercase. This kind of what's that pattern you want to search. Okay, that you have put it within the square bracket. In the find all, you put all these things it is going to treat in order to search for a pattern. Okay, here one more example where it is just what type of pattern you want to search. All these things you can combine. See here, you could see that I want to search every line which is started with the x hyphen, then one explicitly I want to have a character, then after one character we don't want any character, immediately I want to have a colon, then space, then 0 to 9 any single number, then dot. So here the specialty of dot is taking meaning itself as a dot. We want a something like 0 point like that. Here it is escaping its meaning. Actually the meaning of this wildcard is any single character, but if you put this put it within the square bracket, it is going to exclude its meaning. It is going to violate its special meaning. Okay, like that you have done. Then next thing is one more specialty is, see here we want to search in every line this this what is pattern. Along with the two parentheses, you could find the two parentheses we have mentioned, one parenthesis within have. So every line should have this first pattern. Within that, I just want to extract only the number part. So whichever only that part you want to select, again that could be put it within the parenthesis. So your final output will be, here you could see I'm just extracting only the numbers. Actually it has selected the lines which started from X, but in that entire line I want just extract. So it is also working like a string slicing, selecting and string slicing. That is one more speciality of that. Okay, here also you could see that this is the entire pattern. One example they have taken. So details, so many things they have written, reverse at reverse is equal to so on. So this entire pattern, whichever the line has contained this kind of patterns, all those lines are going to select reverse equals to, then we want only the number part we want to select. See here you could observe number part we are extracting. How we are extracting means only that pattern we are put it within the parentheses, one more inner parentheses. Okay, like this. Here this is one more example where I want to extract the timing. Suppose I have a, what is that? Yeah, here I have an example. So like this line I have got, and I want to extract the hour part, ninth hour, like this hour part I want to extract. So then completely I have to write the pattern. It should start from the from. You can observe here it should start from the from. Then after that, if you want the space, then dot any single character, or it may not have, then after the single character it may not have any more character immediately followed by this. I want to have minute, so 2 digits. So explicitly you should mention first digit, second digit, and only that hour part has to be extracted. So that is put it within the parenthesis. Okay, so output is like this, 18 hours, 16 hours, like that. Escape character means escaping the meaning of special meaning. That means if you simply outside, if you write a what is that, if you use a character dot, it takes a single character, but if you put that dot within the square bracket, it is treated as a dot itself. Okay, like that I have written /s. If you want to escape, I don't want to put this a dollar within the square bracket, still I want to escape its meaning, means $, means it, right now it is not actually dollar is nothing but to search the end of the line. Like caret symbol is to, it's going to search the pattern in the beginning of the line. If you want to search any pattern at the end of the line, we'll use the dollar, but right now the dollar is going to escaping its meaning. It is just treated as a dollar symbol itself. Okay, those things are about the regular expressions. Okay, go through all this material whatever I have uploaded. Okay, don't waste your time, start studying from the first module. So this is the third module I have completed. Okay, once the college reopens, we might be having the, not we might, we should be having the internals, might be back to back first and second internal. So study well, and I'll also give assignment questions. Okay, I think by Monday I'll give. Thank you.